If you're looking for the best all-in-one PC, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. Apple iMac 27 Retina 5K display, 3.4 GHz quad-core Intel. Apple's 27-inch Retina display iMac offered the first 5K display in the world. The stunning 5120 by 2880 screen delivers crystal-clear images and sharp text while posting powerful internal specs. In fact, Apple recently refreshed the 5K iMac with its new 8th generation 6-core Intel processors. There's even an option for the 8-core 9th generation Intel Core i9 processor for the most power. Moreover, the all-in-one maintains the stylish design with which we've all grown accustomed to, reveling in a gapless front panel and rounded corners that complement the glass and aluminum build. If you have deeper pockets though, you could always opt for the iMac Pro, which improves the internal hardware to as much as an i8 Core Intel Xeon WCPU up to 128GB of RAM, AMD Vega 64 graphics card for astounding performance. Number 2. ASUS Zen A10 Desktop PC with 23.8 inches Full HD touchscreen. ASUS has released a Zen AIO ZN242 all-in-one for home entertainment. Its design is slim and stylish, and the narrow frame handles up to 90% of the screen ratio with a good color expression. In addition, it's equipped with a GTX 1050 alone and M2 SSD solid-state drive, with a large number of expansion connections behind it. The appearance of the fuselage is more concise and neat, 2mm narrow frame with humanized shaft design. You can adjust the pitch angle as needed. In terms of configuration, equipped with Intel Core i5-7300 HQ processor, 8GB DDR4 dual-channel memory, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 alone, 1TB 5400 RPM mechanical hard disk, plus 108GB SSD. Number 3. Acer Chromebase I/O Desktop 23.8 Full HD. Acer created this Chromebase I/O specifically for people looking for a 24-inch HD desktop in the Chrome OS environment. It's a great choice for people who work with Chrome every day but really want a bigger screen than any you can find on a Chromebook. The Chromebase focuses on affordable overpower, so the specs are limited. It's stocked with a Celeron 3215U processor, 4GB of RAM and a 16GB SSD. Not exactly impressive, but it gets the job done for a Chrome OS setup, which is designed to favor speedy startup and cloud services over local performance. Connections provide USB-A 3.1, USB-A 2.0, and HDMI out. There's a webcam for conferencing complemented by 4 microphones built into the computer. Keyboard and mouse are included with the system too. Number 4. ASUS Zen IO Pro Z240 IEGT 16 all-in-one desktop 23.8-inch widescreen. This ASUS model delivers potent processing, discrete graphics, and a lovely 4K touchscreen, all in a stylish yet affordable design. Equipped with an Intel Core i7-7700T processor and NVIDIA GeForce 1050 graphics card, this stylish all-in-one delivers a strong performance, a gorgeous 4K display, and a healthy feature set. We believe that technology can be beautiful, and Zen All-in-One Pro is the ultimate proof. Precision crafted from solid aluminum with a sensuous brushed icicle gold finish, Zen-inspired spun metal detailing, sparkling diamond-cut edges, and a seamless integrated stand, Zen All-in-One Pro is a precision-crafted artwork that'll add grace. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Studio 2. Microsoft was a newcomer to the all-in-one market when it released the Surface Studio in December of 2016, but now there's the Surface Studio 2. Though it maintains the same design and 28-inch touchscreen, 4500 by 3000 resolution display as its predecessor, the Surface Studio 2 packs in options for better graphics cards and greater amounts of memory and storage. It comes with the Core i7-7820 HQ CPU and options for a full-size GTX 1060 or GTX 1070 graphics chip. That makes it the ideal option for serious content creators, designers, and anyone who wants an all-in-one PC that packs a powerful punch. When we reviewed it, we lauded its exceptional design and build quality, graphics performance, and super fast SSD.